This is a critical reasoning question in which you have to identify from the given options a conclusion that can be derived from the given passage. The passage talks of the corporate India working along with policy planners in the government to disembark on the socialist path, but in the meantime avoiding or ignoring a significant majority of the population. The significant majority of the population, that is the ignored constituency, is now silently reasserting its rights. Option A. Corporate India needs to further push the reform agenda in order to reap the benefits in the presence of the ruling left-wing party. The paragraph does not suggest that the corporate India should further push the reform agenda, so option A cannot be concluded from the paragraph. Option B. It is time that the policy makers as well as corporate India stopped evading the demands of the ignored constituency and began looking for solutions that are mutually agreeable to all parties. This is definitely a conclusion that can be drawn from the given paragraph because it clearly states that till now the corporate as well as the government was ignoring the significant majority of the population, and this part of the population is now silently reasserting its rights. Hence it is time for the government and the corporate captains to sit up, take notice of this part of the constituency and find out solutions which are mutually beneficial, which are beneficial for all the parties involved. Option C. Policy makers in the country should only listen to the ignored constituency if they want to continue to rule the country. The paragraph does not say that policy makers should ignore the corporate and listen only to the ignored constituency. The passage also does not talk of a threat that the ruling party has from the ignored constituency. Option D. It is only a matter of time before the ignored constituency is silenced forever by use of coercive methods. This is again not a conclusion that can be derived from the paragraph, because the last line of the paragraph clearly states that this constituency is now silently reasserting its rights. So it does not suggest in any way that this constituency can be silenced forever. So the correct answer to this question is option B.